Good morning, one and all. This is Kusuma, Associate Professor, Department of Management Science. So, in this session, we are going to learn about what is economics, what is managerial economics. So, first of all, our subject name is Engineering Economics and Financial Management. It is a combination of two subjects. So, it is a combination of two subjects, economics part and financial management concept. So, in this session, we are going to learn about introduction part of managerial economics. So before going to the concept of managerial economics, we need to know the meaning of economics. So the word economics is derived from the Greek word ekon and nomos, which means a household management. So collectively we can say that not only household management, it is all about how the organization is maintaining their economic resources or financial resources. So economics is derived from the Greek word eikon and nomos, which means household management or an organization management. So it is all about, economics is all about a social science, how the organization is dealing with their financial resources. Next, when coming to the definitions of economics, economics is having two important definitions. Different authors has given two different definitions for economics. So first author has given a definition as economics is a science of wealth. So it was said by Adam Smith. Adam Smith is the father of economics. So he said that economics is a science of wealth. Wealth means it is a fund, money or financial resource of the organization. So here effective utilization of financial resources of the organization is called as economics. So he concentrated only on economic part, that means financial aspects of the organization. Next, second person, Alfred Marshall. He stated that economics is a human welfare. It is a science of human welfare. That means with the wealth, we are going to satisfy our human being needs and wants. Without wealth, without money, without financial resources, we can't satisfy our human needs. So welfare and wealth is interconnected with each other. Without wealth, there is no human welfare. Human welfare means well-being of the human being. So when the people will be well-being, happy, so if the needs of the human being, if the needs of ourselves is satisfied, then the people will be happy. So how it will be satisfied? If we are having money, then only we can satisfy. So here nowadays all the people are earning money and spending that money to satisfy our personal needs or family needs, isn't it? So that's why all these earning money, spending that money to satisfy the human needs is called as economic activities. So altogether we can say that economics is completely relating to financial resources of the organization or a household, effective utilization of financial resources. So these are the two important definitions given by two authors. According to Adam Smith, he is the father of economics. He said that economics is a science of wealth. And second person is Alfred Marshall. He said that economics is a science of human welfare. So wealth and human welfare both are interlinked with each other. Without wealth, there is no human welfare. Next one is what is managerial economics. So managerial economics is also called as business economics. It is concerned with effective allocation of resources in the organization, scarce resources, effective utilization of scarce resources in the organization. So every organization requires some resources in order to produce the product. We require raw material, men, material, machinery, technology. So all these are the different types of resources, and all these resources are very scarce in nature. That means limited in nature. So we need to use, every organization need to use all these resources very carefully without any wastage. So it is all about, managerial economics is all about maintaining or managing the resources of the organization. It may be financial resources, it may be material resources, or it may be other resources. So we need to use all the resources properly. So allocation of resources should be done properly in the organization. So managerial economics is concerned with allocation of scarce resources effectively in the organization. So when coming to the definition of managerial economics, according to Spencer, managerial economics is the integration of economic theory with business practice for the purpose of decision making and forward planning. So here managerial economics means, here in managerial economics concept, we are having different types of concepts are there, different tools and techniques are there, different laws are there, different principles are there. So altogether this thing is called as theory of managerial economics. So we need to integrate that when we need to apply that theory in order to get better decisions for the business problems in the organization, and it will also useful for better planning for organizational activities. So managerial economics is, we need to utilize the content of managerial economics, laws, theories, principles, etc. in order to get better planning and decision making. When coming to the parts of economics, in economics we are having two parts, microeconomics and macroeconomics. So microeconomics means, what is the meaning of micro? Micro means it's a small study, that means small. So microeconomics deals with a small study or a study about a single individual firm, how the firm or how the industry is maintaining all those resources, how they are producing the product, how they are fixing the price, how they are distributing the final product to their customers, all these things. So this is the study about microeconomics. So that means microeconomics is a individual study relating to a industry or a single unit, how they are maintaining all these resources. That is called microeconomics. When coming to the macroeconomics, it is an aggregate study about the country's economic conditions, one country economic conditions. Like here we can talk about total GDP of the country, total national income of the country, total population, per capita income. So all these concepts will be comes under macroeconomics. So this managerial economics is completely relating to microeconomics part only. So it is talking about how the company or how the organization or how an industry is allocating all the financial resources and other resources effectively in the organization, how they are producing the product, how they are fixing the price, how they are distributing the product to the ultimate end user. So these are the two parts of economics. So in this in next class we are going to talk about nature and scope of managerial economics. Thank you.